Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to lower ACoS on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to show you how to lower your ACoS, advertising cost of sales, on Amazon. First things first, let's talk about keywords. You'll want to dive into your search term report to find those high-performing keywords. If you notice keywords that are eating up your budget without converting, it's time to pause or lower their bids. Adding negative keywords can also help prevent your ads from showing up in irrelevant searches. Next up, let's optimize those product listings. Make sure your listings have high-quality images, engaging bullet points, and detailed descriptions. Don't forget to include relevant keywords to improve your organic ranking and ad relevance. When it comes to bids, being strategic is key. Reduce bids on keywords that aren't performing well and increase them for the ones that are bringing in conversions. Using different campaign types can make a big difference. Automatic campaigns are great for discovering new keywords, while manual campaigns allow you to control bids on the ones that are already proven. Product targeting can help you get your ads on specific product detail pages, which can be very effective. Negative keywords are your friend. Keep your list updated to exclude terms that aren't converting. This way you can focus your budget on the keywords that do work. Monitoring your campaigns is crucial. Regularly check how they're performing and make adjustments to your bids, keywords, and targeting settings as needed. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of product reviews and ratings. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews and promptly address any negative feedback to maintain a high rating. By following these steps, you'll be able to lower your ACoS and make your Amazon advertising more efficient. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.